Yeah, you're watch game Saturday. It's a late game.
Oh, yeah. So 7 or so.
7:30, yeah.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How are you doing today?
I'm good. Judge, is it possible that I could have a breakout room with my client? He's right here on the screen in the green from Wayne County Jail.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Go ahead, John.
Thank you, Judge.
Join the breakout room, sir.
Yes, sir.
This corner? Yes. Hold on. Okay. $8:35. You can also view it on YouTube. Hello? Okay. They didn't like that option. They wanted to come in for a hearing for Brooks, but it's a competency hearing. It's at 8:35, so that's why I said she could view it on YouTube, and she hung up.
Morning, Judge.
Hey, good morning, Mr. Glenn. How you doing today?
I'm good, Judge. You're looking good, my friend.
Well, thank you, sir. I appreciate that. I see you still have your middle school picture up.
I don't know why you're hating. I think that's a great photo.
It is. It's an awesome photo.
Morning.
Good morning. Good morning,
All right, there you go.
I see we still have the same barber.
Pretty much. I don't think I had hair since 15. So
What brings you by?
Judge, we have an exam up tomorrow. We have another issue that we've run into. Pretty much same issue with the medical examiner. And Mr. Cripps is on it. He's going to zoom in a second. And we're gonna talk to you about it.
Is that the Emmy with COVID?
That's correct, Judge.
We can't get another Emmy to testify as to.
So I did address that with them, and I've done it on other cases too. She's the only medical examiner that was present for the actual examination. They only have 5 MEs, and so they're doing it pretty much by themselves now. That's how they're divvying up the work.
Yeah, I can understand that, but in the past, and I've had the issue before, I've had an ME come in and testify as to someone else's findings. They don't have to actually.
We don't even have the report. So I wish I could tell you the findings, but we don't even have that.
Oh, okay.
And that's the even bigger issue that we're running into, obviously.
Mr. Cripps, good morning. Well, he's here. He hasn't signed in.
Looks like his audio is still connecting, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Cripps.
Good morning, Judge.
Yes, sir. Here on what cases?
It's Deshaun Curry, Judge, is the name of the defendant.
Sean Berry. Berry.
Sorry, Judge Curry, Currie.
Oh,
It's set for exam tomorrow morning.
does anyone have a case number?
Yes, I do, Judge. Give me 1 second. 2305896301.
What's the first name?
Deshaun, Deshaun.
All right. Calling case 2305896301. People of the state of Michigan versus Deshaun Curry. Appearances for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mike Glenn for the people. My P number is 77516.
Hey, good morning, Your Honor. David Cripps, P34972, appearing on behalf of Deshaun Curry. I would waive his appearance, Your Honor. He's in the Wayne County Jail.
Court will waive the defendant's presence. Mr. Glenn?
Judge, I spoke with the medical examiner yesterday regarding this particular case. There are 2 victims on this particular information, and the medical examiner that did the lead victim's postmortem examination has been out with COVID and just returned back to work. However, the report is not done yet, and she's the only doctor that actually participated in the exam. And when I spoke with Mr. Cripps yesterday about it, we need that report prior to even bringing her in to testify to her findings, because I don't know what they are yet. And neither would Mr. Cripps.
Did she indicate when she's gonna have the report done?
She's waiting for the, she said an anthropological report that's coming back before, it has to do with trajectory of the bullets that were fired into the body. And she's hoping to get that within a week and issue the report by the end of next week.
I told Mr. Glenn that I can't conceive of any situation where I could proceed without having that report. This is kind of an interesting and complicated issue that I need that expert's report before I could cross-examine.
Okay, the court finds good cause to adjourn the matter. I can adjourn it to October 31st. How's that date work for you guys?
It works for me if it works for Mr. Cripps, Judge.
I'm checking, Your Honor.
Okay.
I'm scheduled to start, is the court suggesting the afternoon?
It can be morning or afternoon.
I could probably do in the afternoon. I'm scheduled to start a jury trial the day before, but I'm 90% sure we're gonna settle it.
Okay. How about October 31st at 1:30 then?
That works for me, Judge.
That's good, Judge.
Okay. October 31st at 1:30 and final we continue.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Thank you very
Have
much.
a great day,
Your Honor.
everyone.
Thank you. Thank you, Michael.
Ms. Christian Murray. Coach K,
Yes, Judge, good morning.
good morning. Are we ready on Schroeder?
Yes, Judge, we are.
Calling case number 230-593-5301, the people of the state of Michigan versus the defendant. The defendant, Norman Schroeder. The defendant is being charged with count 1, assault with intent to do great bodily harm less than murder or by strangulation. Count 2, domestic violence, third offense. The defendant is a visual offender. For probable cause today.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Your Honor. Purna Krishnamurthy, P 82448, appearing via Zoom on behalf of my client, Mr. Norman Schroeder, who also appears via Zoom and consents to this proceeding being via Zoom. Sir, would you please state your full name for the record?
Norman Schroeder.
What's your pleasure, Coach K?
Judge, today is the date and time for a PCC. I am in receipt of the paper discovery. It does indicate in the discovery that there is body cam footage, but I don't have that yet. I was curious whether or not that could be provided to me, but we are prepared to move to exam if I can get the body cam before then.
And if I could say, yes, I do believe that there's digital discovery that is available for this case. And I've already emailed the officer in charge requesting it. And as soon as I get it, I will send it to you.
Thank you so much.
Sure.
Okay. Is October 23rd too soon?
Let me just check my schedule. Probably not. No, Judge, that's fine.
Is that good with the people?
Yes, Judge, that's fine with me.
Okay, October 23rd at 9:30.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
Mr. Elsie?
Thank you.
We're all set, Judge?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Judge. Have a great day.
Mr. Elsie, what are you here on?
Your Honor, I'm here on Darnell Clark.
Okay, I haven't seen the attorney on that. I'm not sure who the attorney is. Do you know who the attorney is?
Yes, Your Honor, it's Coral Watt. I can try to give her a ring right now.
Okay, great. Good morning, sir. How can I help you?
I have a case this week.
What's your name?
Andreas Harris. PCC.
Okay. Just waiting on your attorney, sir. So did you get that? Sean heard.
Yeah, adjourn. I thought third party.
Yes. We're just waiting on the parties to get here, Mr. Ruiz.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you for the call, sir.
Okay, no problem.
So.
It's on mute.
Mr. Brooks' mom. You got a competency hearing?
That's the one that called.
Hmm?
That's the lady that called. When she walked in the front, she got down.
Oh. Okay, Mr. Pickard, good morning. Mr. Pickard, are you there? Mr. Pickard going once, Mr. Pickard going twice. Mr. Brown, good morning. Brian Brown, are you there?
Good morning, Judge. Good morning, Judge. I'm here.
Good morning, how can I help you?
I'm here on Mr. Harris.
Okay. Mr. Harris is here in the courtroom with you, sir.
Okay. And if Judge, could I give him my telephone number? Because I don't have a good number for Mr. Harris, and I need to he needs to contact him so we can speak.
What's the number?
313-671-4139.
Okay, I'll make sure he gets it.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Calling case number 230-593-6201. Of the state of Michigan versus the defendant, Andreas Harris. The defendant has been charged with count 1. Assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. Count 2, domestic violence. Set for probable cause today.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, key number 60249.
And good morning, Your Honor. Brian Brown, P80560. Appearing on behalf of Mr. Andreas Harris, who is present in the courtroom. Mr. Harris, please state your name for the record.
Andreas Harris. What's your pleasure, Mr. Brown?
Your Honor, we would like to set this for in-person preliminary examination.
How's October 23rd at 10:15?
Yes, that should be good.
All right, October 23rd at 10:15, and Brown will be continued.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You all set, sir? All right, thank you. Have a good one. You too. That's fine. Appreciate you.
Mr. Pickard.
Right.
I was wondering if that was you, Ms. Silver.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, you're here on Diggs?
Yes, is he signed on?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Calling case number 230-591-0401. The people of the state of Michigan versus the defendant Dominique Diggs, AKA Dominique Latt Diggs. The defendant is being charged with count 1, weapons, firearms, possession by felon. Count 2, weapons, felony firearm, and count 3, domestic violence. They are set for probable cause hearing.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Kelly Drain for 60249.
And good morning, Your Honor. Gabby Silver appearing on behalf of Dominic Diggs.
Mr. Diggs, tell us your name.
Dominic Diggs, Your Honor.
What's your question, Ms. Silver?
Judge, for the record, Mr. Diggs wishes to have a better lawyer than me. He wishes to try to retain someone.
I don't know if
He
that's,
asked me to.
I don't think that's possible. You said a better lawyer than you?
I appreciate that, Judge, but Mr. Diggs doesn't think that I'm a good enough lawyer for him, so he wishes to retain someone. He asked me to ask you to give him a new PCC date so he can do that. I don't know if he's done it by now or not. I haven't heard from him since the first time I spoke.
Mr. Diggs, you think you can do better than Ms. Silver?
Your Honor, I respectfully, Mrs. Silver, attorney.
Hang on a second, sir.
That,
Clear. Hello? Stop talking. Your audio's not coming through clear, sir. We have a bad connection.
Can you hear me, sir?
No,
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
no, you sound like Zach from the Gap Band. Computer love.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, that's a little better. Okay, go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm looking to obtain an attorney, Your Honor. I would like to have my proper cause and preliminary exam adjourned, please.
Who are you looking to retain?
If I would like to keep that private as possible, but if you like the information, her name is Tiffany Howe. Tiffany Howe, attorney Tiffany Howe.
All due respect to
Miss Attorney
Howe.
Tiffany.
Okay, all right. So when do you plan on retaining Ms. Howe?
No, like November 1st.
No, absolutely not. No, sir. We're still in October, sir.
I was advised that I can have my rights waived to 7 to 14 days after my arraignment.
I'm not waiting to November.
Would I be able to let her know? Would I be able to talk to her and let her know that I need her to sign file an appearance before then?
That's between you and her.
I just feel comfortable, better, because I haven't received the discovery pack or anything like that yet. I just feel comfortable with private attorney, please.
Okay, I guess I have to go through this with you. Why do you need the discovery pack? Are you representing yourself?
No, not right now, Your Honor.
Ms. Silver, how many
Yes,
years have
Judge.
you been in criminal law?
Do I have to really say that?
Please,
Almost 40, Judge, almost
40
40.
years? Since I was
Yes, can you
13
believe
years
it?
old?
Yes, Judge. Yes.
Wow,
Is that crazy?
you look pretty good for an old girl.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate that.
40 years. So
Yes,
That's-
almost 40.
that's been primarily criminal law, is that right?
The last 35 have been primarily criminal defense. The last
In fact,
30.
we had a lot of good times together back when I was in the prosecutor's office, didn't we?
Well, we certainly did, Judge. We
We
certainly
faced
did.
off a lot together, didn't we?
We did, Judge.
And I must admit, you've earned the respect of this court. And what is Mr. Diggs charged with?
Mr. Diggs is charged with domestic violence, felony firearm, felon in possession, FA.
I see. And the cases I had with you when I was a prosecuting attorney, those were mostly homicide cases, weren't they?
That's correct, as are the cases I appear in front of you these days, our Judge. Mostly homicides.
All right. Okay, so apparently Mr. Diggs feel comfortable with you because he hasn't received his discovery pack.
That's correct, Judge. And to be frank, when I had my conversation with Mr. Diggs, the first thing he told me is that he didn't want me to represent him, that he wished to hire somebody. So I told him, that's fine, have that attorney contact me. And when I receive the discovery, I'd be happy to turn it over. I did not find it necessary to continue any conversation with Mr. Diggs once he informed me that he was not interested in my services. And so therefore I did not. I waited for whoever it was he was going to retain to contact me.
Okay, so you are assigned on this case?
That's correct, Judge.
Oh, okay. So let me tell you this also, Mr. Diggs, I'm going to let you retain Ms. Howell, but you're gonna have to do so well before November. But let me caution you about this, sir. Many attorneys that take assigned cases also are retaining the counsel and are very good counsel. Some of which are like Ms. Silver, some people like Jeffrey Edison, some people like Otis Culpepper. I'm not sure if Otis Culpepper takes many assignments anymore, but sometimes assigned counsel get a bad reputation. Like retained counsel, you can get some assigned counsel that are very good. You can get some assigned counsel that are not so good. I'm here to tell you that Ms. Silver is a very good attorney. You got lucky on this one. But
I believe,
Ms. Howell is a very good attorney too. I can't take that away from her.
I believe you're right, Your Honor. I just, it's a serious, allegations this woman is saying I did, and I just want this to be resolved as soon as possible, Your Honor. That's all. I respect Miss Silver, but I just want this. This is serious allegations, and I'm taking this very serious.
Have Ms. Howell contact the court immediately, because you don't get to choose who your assigned counsel is unless you're going to retain someone, and you need to do that as soon as possible. So Ms. Howell needs to contact this court.
Okay.
Judge,
Yes.
sometimes people don't know when they hit the jackpot. So please let him retain another attorney. That's my input.
Thanks, Ms. Drain.
That's the prosecutor talking.
Yeah, thanks, Ms. Drain. I really appreciate all the kind words from everybody. I really do. So am I all set to go, Judge?
I'm sorry.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it, Judge. Am I set to go?
Well, he doesn't have an attorney yet. So, but I tell you what, I'm going to allow you to withdraw because he doesn't want you. If he's unable to retain Ms. Howell, then he's going to get another assigned counsel, and God bless you on that one. I don't know what you're going to end up with.
Whew.
I just haven't had.
Okay, I'm hearing the gap band again.
See.
No, she,
I can't understand any of that, sir.
yeah.
Computer love. Hang on, sir. We're gonna try to get you another.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day.
Thank you, Ms. Silver. Have a good day.
Okay, see you soon, I hope. Bye.
Yeah, Your Honor,
Sir,
Attorney Joe Dillard.
why are you interrupting me, Mr. Dillard?
I'm sorry?
Why are you interrupting me?
Oh, I just wanted to see if I can have, permission to come back at a different time. My client, well,
I was about to call you next.
oh, well, I apologize for the interruption, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Diggs, you need to reach out to Ms. Howell like now. Have her zoom in, sir. Okay. What can I do for you, Mr. Dillard?
Your Honor, I'm on Gilbert Felipe Lopez. He's going to need an interpreter. I don't know. I think an interpreter has been provided. I'm not certain.
Here, sir.
Pardon?
We have an interpreter here.
Okay. I'm going to be requesting an adjournment. I don't have all of the discovery. I've received some of the discovery, but not all of it.
Can I call the case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Okay, calling case number 230-593-5201. The people of the state of Michigan versus the defendant Gilbert Felipe Lopez. The defendant is being charged with count 1, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. Count 2, domestic violence. Today is set for proper policy.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Joseph Dillard, P 37225, on behalf of Mr. Gilbert Felipe Lopez. Is he present, Your Honor?
I don't think so. The interpreter is, though.
Okay.
Is he?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm still here. My name is Jose Ruiz. That's Jose. Last name Ruiz as in zebra. And my Q number from the state of Michigan is Q4330, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I would ask that the court waive my client's presence for today. I know he was in custody when I visited him. However, it looks like he may be out on a tether status.
He may still be in and not have the tether yet.
Could be, Your Honor.
Right.
I would like to, I request an adjournment.
Why?
Discovery, Your Honor.
Is there a possibility this resolve itself short of a preliminary examination?
I apologize, Your Honor.
Is there a possibility this may resolve itself short of a preliminary examination?
Resolution is not on by me, Your Honor. That would be with the prosecutor. If there's no offers on the table as of yet.
And I doubt very seriously if you'll get one at the exam stage. That being said, is this going to go to exam or do you know? Is there a possibility to resolve itself?
There's communication issues, Your Honor, and so I would like to preserve the rights of my client and simply request an adjournment of the PCC. I do need discovery, and he does need to understand the specifics of this case, maybe in more detail.
I just want you to get where I'm coming from, sir. If there's a strong possibility this is going to go to exam, then I would like to set the exam now. If there's a possibility that it may resolve itself, that your client may waive his preliminary examination, then I will adjourn the PCC so that you can have that discussion with them. But if it's going to go to
set it for exam, Your Honor, at this time.
All right, the court will take the plea of not guilty and set this matter for preliminary examination. And Ms. Drain, you're gonna get Mr. Dillard that discovery by when?
Judge, actually, I was going to ask Mr. Dillard, I have already sent him everything that I have. It's my understanding he already has paper and digital discovery, so I just need to know what it is he needs at this point.
I haven't seen the paper discovery. I've seen the digital discovery.
Oh, okay, I'll send it again this morning then.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. Email
So you'll
me.
get the discovery today? And we'll set this matter for preliminary examination on October 23rd at 10:30.
1 minute, Your Honor. That's a bad day for me, Your Honor. Friday, the 27th.
The whole day is bad for you on the 23rd?
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, the whole day, Your Honor. I'm doing police lineups on that day. So that's just a bad day. Now I will be, and the 25th is a bad day. I'll be in another county. I'm sorry, not another county, but I'll be in an out county court on an exam. I'm sorry?
27th at 10 o'clock?
Yes, Your Honor. That'll be good.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
October 27th at 10 o'clock, bond will be continued.
Okay, interpreter, Mr. Interpreter.
Yes, sir.
Are you assigned to my client or just went on certain court dates?
Just on certain court days, sir, but if you need us, just give us a call and we'll go from there. We can go into a breakout room. I'll give you the information, sir.
Okay, I appreciate it. Yanni, could we have a quick breakout?
Go ahead and join.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Bicker.
Good morning, Your Honor. Is it possible I can have a breakout room with Mrs. Watley?
Okay, you have to give me a minute.
No problem. Mrs. Wiley, the judge is going to send you an invitation to a breakout room so we can speak in private. When that pops up, just go ahead and push join.
Good morning, Ms. Diallo.
Good morning, Judge. I'm checking in on Miss Jones. If she's there, I will walk right on in.
Oh, preliminary exam.
Oh, yeah.
Ms. Jones here? She's not here, Your Honor. She's not here, Ms. Diallo. I think you haven't talked to her either.
So, we have a little bit of a situation because I know she called the court and indicated she had been ill. I'll just wait for a minute. I'll just wait. I'll wait right here. I have to wait for Miss Drain anyway. Oh, there's Miss Drain. Oh, never mind.
I'm here.
Okay, so Mr. Bicker, putting you in the waiting room, I mean, the breakout room with Ms. Watley.
Yes, Your Honor.
Go ahead and join. Good morning, Mr. Miller. What can I do for you?
Good morning, Your Honor. We're here on my client, Mr. Brooks. I believe Mr. Hitz is also logged in.
Okay. We are ready on Brooks.
Okay. Calling case number 230-573-6701, the people of the state of Michigan versus the defendant, Travis Eugene Brooks. The defendant has been charged with count 1, homicide, murder first degree, premeditated. Count 2, weapons, felony, firearm. They are set for competency hearing.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, and may it please this honorable court, APA Jonathan Hitz, appearing on behalf of the people, P85288.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jay Grant, no P58658 on behalf of Tavares Brooks.
All right, so today's the date time set for a competency evaluation. Did we get a report back?
You did, Judge.
We did, Your Honor.
I can send it to the court if the court needs a copy.
I can't hear you.
I can send it into the court if the court needs a copy.
I just want to know what the findings are.
The ultimate conclusion was that Mr. Brooks is competent.
Mr. Miller, do you stipulate to that?
Your Honor, the ultimate report found he was competent for lack of medical records being submitted, so we'd stipulate for the purposes of exam only. It references further evaluation may be needed with more documentation. That's all.
All right. So the court will make a finding that the defendant is competent to stand trial. What's your pleasure, sir?
Your Honor, my client would like to set this for an examination. I would note that Mr. Hitz also sent me 2 additional reports last night. I've not gone over those with my client yet, but we just need to set this for an exam, Your Honor.
How is October 24th at 11:30?
One moment, please, Your Honor.
Judge, that time works for me, but there are going to be civilian witnesses on this case, and that's under a week. If I have trouble getting my witnesses in line, I would just request some leniency for an adjournment from that date.
Your Honor, I'm scheduled to begin a very extensive AWIM trial. I believe this court, or maybe it wasn't this court, that held the exam with at least 20-some police officer witnesses.
Wasn't me.
Well, then I apologize. Might have been Judge Williams, but it's going to be a lengthy trial that begins next week. Is it possible to do a Friday afternoon, Your Honor?
Not on the homicide.
Then I'm just looking. Is it possible to get it the afternoon of the 2nd or the 9th?
Why so far out?
I'm out of town on the 2nd anyways, Judge.
Your Honor, that AWIM trial that begins next week is probably going to go a little over a week, so I was trying to put it like the Thursday after. That's all. And it was a attempt allegedly on Wayne County Sheriff's deputies' lives, so I think it will be a long, convoluted, complex trial.
November 2nd at 10 o'clock.
Judge, I mentioned I'm going to be out of state on that day. I'm flying out on November 1st. I'm back the following week and I'm available on the 31st, but it sounds like Mr. Miller's trial might be going on the 31st.
When does your trial begin, Mr. Miller?
Your Honor, that trial begins on the 23rd and may run over, and then I'm scheduled to begin another trial on the 1st.
So we're talking about the 31st.
Yes, Your Honor. The trial that starts on the 23rd will probably run on to the 31st. And then I have a trial, well, that should be with the juries, scheduled for the...
How many defendants on that case?
I'm sorry, Your Honor?
How many defendants on that case?
On the AWIM case, it's only one defendant, Your Honor, but it's the people have endorsed, I believe it's 38 witnesses, many of which are police officers.
They would be crazy to call 38 witnesses, but I don't know.
It was an exam that took place in many parts, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
It was an exam that took place over many parts, Your Honor.
That doesn't mean they're gonna call 38 witnesses for the trial. You're gonna lose the jury, you call 38 witnesses.
Your Honor, I hope the court's not giving away any defensive strategies right now.
I might be. For my own selfish reasons, though. I think you may be done by the 31st.
That's fine, Your Honor, and if I am, I can do it, and if I'm in trial, I can't, and I can let the court know.
All right. October 31st at 11:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge, I'm open the afternoon, but I do have another matter scheduled at 11:30. Is the court available?
I'm sorry?
I have a matter scheduled at 11:30. Is the court available at 1? I'm open all afternoon.
No, I have a 1:30 scheduled already. Can you do 10 o'clock?
I will not be able to do 10 o'clock, Your Honor.
I'm sick of y'all.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Judge. I have that matter scheduled for 11:30. I can be over at a 36th District Court by 12 o'clock, but I can't make it sooner than that.
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah, October 31st at 12 o'clock, bond will be continued.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, did Ms. Diallo's client show up yet? We check. In the meantime, let me see what's going on with Ms. Black. Good morning, Ms. Black.
Good morning, Your Honor. You ready for me?
Yes, you're on, Clark.
Yes, I am on Clark.
Not yet.
Calling case number 230-592-6601. The people of the state of Michigan versus the defendant, Darnell Deshawn Dion Clark. The defendant is being charged with count 1, homicide, murder, first degree, premeditated. Defendant is set for probable cause today.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ryan Elsey for the people. My P number is 81329.
And good morning, Your Honor. Coral Watt appearing on behalf of Mr. Clark, P41508.
All right. And what's your pleasure, Ms. Watt?
It's my understanding that Mr. Clark has been referred for competency in a previous case. And so would also ask that the court refer this particular matter for competency as well.
Okay, so since he's already undergoing a competency evaluation, I won't set it up for another one, but what we'll do is we'll track that case. Because if he's competent there, he should be competent here as well.
And Your Honor, if I could speak to that, his other case was an AWIM for which he was referred about a year ago. My understanding is that in connection with that case, he was seen by the Forensic Center in November of last year, and we have a report from January of this year finding him competent. So he isn't currently referred for competence in his pending AWIM case.
Oh, okay.
And Your Honor, I'm not just basing it on the previous case. It was also based on information that I received from, family members and medical history, et cetera, which is why I believe he was referred for the other case as well, was the history and the medical history.
So he's been referred and deemed competent. You want me to refer him again?
Well, that was back in January. So, I would argue that, that report is kind of stale at this point.
Let me ask you this, Ms. Watt. Have you had any interaction with him?
I have, Your Honor.
And based on your interaction with him, do you deem it necessary to refer him?
I believe so. I believe that, yes, it's necessary.
Okay, then that makes a difference. All right, the court will refer the defendant for a competency evaluation. We'll set a review date for, I believe it's January.
Judge, is it possible, just given that presumably the Forensic Center already has all of the collateral information assembled, I would expect that the referral probably isn't going to take as long as usual. Could we have a date maybe in December just to see where we're at that point?
I agree, Your Honor.
December 15th.
Let me just check. December the 15th. Yes, that would work, Your Honor. Yes.
December 15th at 8:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day, everyone.
Thank you too. Mr. Bickert, are you ready now?
Yes, Your Honor.
We are ready on Watley.
Calling case number 230-592-1301. The people of the state of Michigan versus the defendant, Zaina Watley. The defendant is being charged with count 1, child abuse, second degree, and count 2. Count 3, tampering with evidence. Defendant is set for probable cause today.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tina Ripley on behalf of the people, P83688.
May it please court, Your Honor, Tyrone Bickert appearing on behalf of Ms. Wiley, who's present via Zoom, Your Honor, P number 62647. Good morning.
Unmute yourself and tell me your name, Ms. Wiley.
Oh, I thought that was me.
Wait,
Tell me your name.
Zena Watley.
What's your pleasure, Mr. Bickert?
Your Honor, I've advised Ms. Wiley of her right to a preliminary exam in this matter and the people's burden to establish probable cause. Based on our discussion, Ms. Wiley would like to waive her right to a preliminary exam and agree to be bound over at this time, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Wiley, please raise your right hand so I can see it. Okay, you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Thank you. You can put your hand down. See if you can keep that camera steady for me. You're making me seasick.
Okay.
You understand you have a statutory right to have a preliminary examination by waiving the same. That means you won't have one, and you'll be bound over to Wayne County Third Circuit Court as you stand charged in the complaint warrant. You understand that?
I do.
You understand the nature and the purpose of a preliminary examination?
Yes.
You understand if you were to have one, the prosecution would have to establish that the crime you're charged with was committed in the city of Detroit, and that there's probable cause to believe you committed it?
Yes.
Is anyone forcing you to waive your right?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything?
No.
Are you waiving your right freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
Any objection from the people?
No, Judge.
The court finds defendant's waiver is made knowingly and voluntarily freely given. The court will therefore bind the defendant over to the Wayne County Third Circuit Court Criminal Division for further proceedings. Her arraignment on the information, date, and time will be November 1st, 2023 at 9:00 a.m. Trial will be continued.
Your Honor, is it possible, Ms. Ripley, do you have time for a very quick breakout room?
Yes.
Your Honor, could you send us to one? Is that possible?
Can you
We'll be
guys
very.
call each- Can you call each other?
Oh, yeah, yes, Your Honor, yes. Yeah.
I'll give you a call.
Time my breakout room. All right?
Sounds good. Thank you.
You're all set, Ms. Wiley.
So I can hang up?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, and I'll be.
bye. I'm sorry, that was rude. My bad. Ms. Diallo, still no client.
Oh, well, Judge, I'm sure it's a misunderstanding.
Okay, let's see. Let's call Christina Jones. Calling case 2359194, people of the state of Michigan versus Christina Natai Jones. Defendants charged in count 1, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. Count 2, assault with a dangerous weapon. Count 3, domestic violence. Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Judge, good morning to you and your staff. Lillian Diallo, P52036, on behalf of Miss Christina Jones, who is not present.
And where is Ms. Jones?
I'm sure it's a misunderstanding.
Okay, so I'm here, you're here, the people are here, but no Ms. Jones. You have any explanation as to her whereabouts?
Well, Judge, the last I knew, she had been in the hospital, and that was last week. She called your court. Let me see if I can pull it up, and made contact with your court. Let's see, Jones. So she called and made contact last week, indicating that she had been in the emergency room. And just so the record is clear, Judge, there is a tether issue as well. So it was a tether absconder report that was generated in this particular matter. And I am an officer of the court, so I can't, I wouldn't even want to lie about that. So, I don't know.
Thank you, Mr. Diallo. The court is going to issue a case history, vote bond, and set the new bond at $50,000 cash.
All righty then. Everybody have a great day. Good to see you, Judge. Take care, Ms. Drain.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Have we heard from Ms. James? Mr. Robinson is in the hallway. Please, Let's call on the assignment for.
For, attorney. Okay.
Mr. Diggs,
Yes, Your Honor.
okay, so I am contacting the assignment clerk to get you another attorney.
Okay. I reached out to Ms. House, Your Honor, and her phone just went straight to voicemail. I don't know if she's in court right now, but I still looking to retain Ms. House, sir. Your Honor. I'm going to-
She's working on it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Ms. Grady here?
Not yet, Your Honor.
Good morning. Yes.
Ready, Judge? You ready, Judge?
Yes.
Sir. Stand next to your attorney.
Morning, how are you?
Good evening, sir.
Welcome.
Christopher Jamar. Calling case 2358814, People State of Michigan versus Christopher Deshaun Jamar. He is charged in count 1, assault with intent to create bodily harm, less than murder by strangulation. Count 2, domestic violence, second offense, focus, domestic violence, and/or knowingly assaulting a pregnant woman, second offense, focus. Appearances for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. May I please this court, Gabrielle Pruitt, requesting permission of practice under Court Rule 8.120 under the supervision of APA Shelley Grant.
Permission granted.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good morning, Neighborhood Defender Service by Kate Demont Grady, 83667, on behalf of Mr. Christopher Jamar, who is present with us here in the courtroom. Mr. Jamar, please state your name for the court.
Christopher Jamar. Today is the date and time set for preliminary examination. Are we ready to proceed?
Your Honor, the complaining witness in this case is a Miss Justice Norton. She is not present today, and if you are unable to proceed without her.
Your Honor, defense would move to dismiss this.
So ordered. Court will dismiss this matter without prejudice.
Sorry.
Did you do this dismissal order?
I have not, I will deal with that right now.
Mr. Daniel Mercer is going to be given.
And what is?
Mr. Reese.
Oh, yeah. It's not great. Have a good day.
Thank you as well.
Ms. Catstar, right on time.
Hi,
How you doing today?
good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
She's on the way up.
Okay.
And it's your turn.
Calling case 2357489, for the state of Michigan versus Betty McKnight. Defendant is charged in count 1 assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. Count 2 domestic violence aggravated second offense notice. Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor, and may it please the court, Gabrielle Pruitt, requesting permission of practice under Court Rule 8.120, under the provision of APA children.
No objection, Your Honor.
Commissioner Grant.
Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor. Nancy Kessler from Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit, appearing on behalf of Ms. Betty McKnight, P number 80549.
Tell me your name, ma'am. Yes, the date and time set for preliminary examination. Are we ready to proceed?
Your Honor, the complaining witness in this case is not present, and the people are unable to proceed without assistance.
Your Honor, at this time, the defense must be.
So order the court will dismiss this matter without prejudice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, bring it back. Come on. Give you a card.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, folks, lunch until 1:30. Nice long lunch break, yes. Which one we do with Mr. Robinson? Mr. who? Robinson. Oh, Marvin Robinson, that's right, we haven't seen Ms. James yet. Huh? I guess you'll have to wait till 1:30. As well as, he's in the hallway. Okay. The attorney, he can come back, we can waive his presence. Next court. Let me see if I can get in touch with Ms. James. And I also need to get in contact with the attorney for these. I thought we had somebody.
We do. He should be zooming on. I thought, I'll call her back. We'll see where he is.
All right.
Oh, I'm not.
There she goes.
Yes, think about it.
Right, there's something else.
You got the charges?
Good,
how are you? I'm trying to make it stop.
Really? Yeah.
Okay, y'all, at least you know.
How about, how you feel about it?
Yeah.
Your hubby like it?
Oh, you like it.
Okay, that's all that matters. That's what you look at.
Good morning, Mr. Mercier.
Good morning, Your Honor. I got a spot appointment for Mr. DeAndre Drew.
Ms. Diggs. Dominic Diggs.
Dominic Stiggs, okay. I will have to correct that. Great.
Okay. Tell you what, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Diggs so you can introduce yourself.
Very good.
Mr. Diggs, are you still there? Mr. Diggs, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Mercier. Go ahead and join.
Your Honor, you might need to pull him out of the breakout room. Full court?
Hang on.
Okay.
Ms. White.
Yes, you have to do that.
Yes, Ms. White.
Hi, Your Honor. Ms. Drain told me to log on because the case for this afternoon is being dismissed, so my client should be logging on shortly.
Okay. First, let me do Mr. Mercier.
Yes, Your Honor.
Diggs. Okay, recall Dominic Diggs.
Calling case number 230-591-0401, the people of the state of Michigan versus the defendant Dominic Diggs, AKA Dominic Lap Diggs. The defendant is being charged with count 1, weapons, firearm possession by a felon, count 2, weapons, felony firearm, and count 3, domestic violence. Defendant, for proper cause today.
Hearing, please.
Oh, thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Daniel Mercier, P 72620, representing defendant, Mr. Dominic Diggs. Mr. Diggs, state your name for the record.
Dominic Diggs.
Your Honor, at this time, we would be
Dominic
requesting.
Diggs.
I got you. What's your pleasure, Mr. Mercier?
I just was going to inform the court that we'd be requesting an in-person exam to be set for some date after November 1st.
No, sir. It's gonna be next, it's gonna be one day next week.
Okay. I will, what date, Your Honor?
We can do October 27th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll see you then.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
You're all set, Mr. Diggs. That's in person in 36th District Court, October 27th, 9 o'clock. Okay, Mario, ready? Calling case 2359255, people of the state of Michigan versus Mario. The question, ready. Defendant's charged in count 1, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder, or by strangulation. Count 2, domestic violence. Defendant has a habitual offender, 4th offense notice. Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain from the people, P number 60219.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Coral Watt appearing on behalf of Mr. Reddick, P 41508.
Tell me your name, Mr. Reddick.
Mario Reddick.
Okay, Ms. Drain.
Thank you. Your Honor, I had recent communications with Ms. Watt and asked her if she would be available to appear early for this exam, which is scheduled at 1:30. And the reason for that is that I have had communications, there have been communications with the complaining witness. She has indicated that she would not be coming to court for this hearing and that she did not want to proceed with this hearing. So I'm asking, I'm sure that there would be a motion to dismiss at this time because she's not here now and will not be here at 1:30, and I would not oppose that motion.
Your Honor, I would move that this matter be dismissed.
So ordered. The court will dismiss this matter without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Have a good day, everyone.
Okay, thank you.
With that concludes today's docket. Hope to see you same bat time, same bat station tomorrow. Oh, no, we still have one more. There I go again, getting ahead of myself. So I tell you what we're gonna do. Let's put that one over till tomorrow. I'm trying to contact Ms. James. Is that who the attorney is, Ms. James? Let me check. I think so.
Mr. Robinson, right?
Okay. Yes. Mr. James, Mr. Robinson.
Sir.
Have you talked to your attorney, sir?
Yes, I got a call.
You spoke with her? Where is she?
Yes. I just talked to her on the phone.
Oh, here she come now. Here she is. Ms. James,
Good morning, Your Honor.
we've only been waiting for you all morning.
Judge, I apologize. I just got back from a doctor's appointment. I do apologize.
Okay, are you ready on Mr. Robinson?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay. Calling case number 230-59359, the people of the state of Michigan versus the defendant, Marvin Robinson, AKA Marvin Lee Robinson. The defendant is being charged with count 1, breaking and entry without breaking with intent. Count 2, stalking aggravated. The defendant is a victim offender, third offense notice, set for probable cause today.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Green for the people, P number 60219.
And good morning, Your Honor. Nicole James, appearing on behalf of Mr. Robinson.
Mr. Robinson, tell us your name for the record.
Marvin Lee Robinson.
Okay, what's your pleasure, Ms. James?
Judge, we would ask that this be set for a preliminary examination.
The court will continue to plead of not guilty and set this matter for preliminary examination. How is October 23rd at 10:30?
That's fine for me.
All right, October 23rd at 10:30, and bond will be continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Now I can say it. That concludes the docket for today. Hope to see you tomorrow. Same bat station, same bat time. Have a good day.